Poverty and petty theft. Poverty shouldn't justify breaking the law. Poor individuals often exhibit a strong possessiveness, which is understandable given their impoverished circumstances. However, an observation reveals a concerning phenomenon. Many of them engage in petty theft. Why do they resort to such behavior? It's an attempt to circumvent the law. In many impoverished countries and regions, even when caught in the act, the police might offer excuses on their behalf. They may say, "They are too poor, forgive them," as it's not a big deal. This mindset not only encourages petty theft among the poor, but also constitutes a disrespect for the law. It sheds light on the unfortunate aspects of impoverished regions and countries. Nevertheless, poverty should never serve as a justifiable excuse for engaging in petty theft.